Well, if you're gonna say eating meat isn't immoral, then you're not vegan, by definition. And if you're also going to say that, then there's no way for you to defend your own existence. So this guy should have no problem with me killing him, chopping him up into pieces, and feeding him to my dogs. Hello? No. Why? Okay. I'm streaming right now.
Check it. Don't hang up and check it.
What the fuck happened? Are you bringing home another dog?
I hope not. I was on my way driving home and this dog sprinting in the middle of the road with no leash, no person. So I managed to catch him with people almost running both of us over. I ended up catching him. I put him in my car and I look at his fucking collar. There's no tag! What the fuck am I going to do now?
So Jasmine found a dog.
I don't want to bring him home because I don't know if he's aggressive or not. Like, he's people friendly.
I'll put you on
Bring him
speaker.
inside.
Okay, you're on speaker so the stream can hear you. Where are you gonna bring him?
Well, I don't know. Like, I don't know where to go. Like, do I look for a vet clinic? Like, are shelters even open?
I have no idea.
I have this fucking gigantic husky in my car. And he's older and clearly exhausted and confused, so I'm not just dropping him outside, obviously.
Yeah.
Like, what the fuck do I do? Like, I tried to talk to someone where I caught him. They were cleaning up their business, and I asked if they had any idea of who it could be, and they were like, no, and they ran inside and they fucked off.
The fuck?
Instead of like offering me some help. Like, fucked off.
If there's no shelters open, I guess just bring him home and just put him in a separate room or something.
Well, I don't know what the fuck he had. Like, he could be carrying a fucking disease. I don't fucking know. I don't want him inside.
Well, what are you gonna do?
I don't know. Like,
see if
I don't know if I could maybe find a vet.
Yeah,
That
maybe.
would scan if he has a microchip, but if he doesn't have a chip, then what the fuck?
Yeah.
Because he doesn't even have a collar on his a tag on his collar. Like, who does that?
Yeah, I guess. I just guess go to a vet and.
Well,
you know.
none of them are open to the public. Like, I'm gonna have to call around for like an hour to find one, probably.
Yeah.
And I was driving around and I didn't see anyone looking for a freaking dog either. And I don't know, like, he came out of fucking.
Do you believe there is good
like,
in semen
trail,
retention,
so
or is it more religious lunacy?
He's like breathing his head off. He won't even drink water. He's like half dead. Like, I don't know if he's been running around for 2 hours already, you know?
Yeah, that's.
Like, it's a husky. He could have gone from far.
Yeah. Yeah, I just go to a vet, see if it's chipped. Was it right around the barn?
No, I'm like an hour away already.
Oh, like, you're almost home?
I'm in Erin, yeah.
Okay.
I'm like 15, 20 minutes away from home.
Yeah, I guess just call around, see what vets are open, if they can scan them.
I know our personal vet has an emergency number and they're open for emergencies. I wonder if they'd let me check the chip there.
Yeah, I just do that.
Okay. But if I have to bring him home, I don't know what the fuck to do.
I guess let's just see how he reacts.
I did not want to do this tonight.
Yeah, I know.
So, yeah, we'll have 4 dogs by this evening, I guess.
Okay. Too bad you didn't find a cat.
Yeah, right. I prefer a cat over a goddamn dog.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I'll be late, so just keep an eye on our dogs, and I'll let you know what the fuck is happening.
All right, love you, sweetie.
Love you, bye.
Bye bye. That's really fucking weird. All right. Well, Jasmine caught a dog.
Do you believe there is good in semen retention, or is it more religious lunacy?
It's religious lunacy. If you're talking about a specific benefit to not releasing semen specifically, like if you have a vasectomy like me, you're never releasing semen, so then the nofap thing would have no benefit if you have a vasectomy. So that idea is stupid.